G'day, guys and gals. I had to cut a few of those yellow flowers down to sight Simon's gun in, but they grew back stronger and faster. Monday, October.
Good morning, everyone. สวัสดีค่ะทุกท่าน This flower is beautiful, look like the green tree.
Yeah, looks like the king's tree.
Green tree.
Green tea.
Cabinet.
Cabinet. The voice of God has spoken. Oh.
This morning I went to spend the government money 50-50. Scream to buy ice cream. Grocery close to our place.
Yeah. Oh.
Yes, I would like to show about how we hard work to get into the fresh water. About 2 days ago. Yesterday we had done the boat into the water. That is the day before. On has arranged the tractor came to did the job. The tractor maybe work just 1 hour, finish. But it make the road, make the boat and the car get into the water easy.
Certainly much better. Greatly improved.
Yes, absolutely. More improved. That is after.
I've got to get a new pair of gumboots.
Yes, you have to got it. Wait, this I try to do again while we try to load the boat into the water. That it mean you got skill. This one running and dum 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 swinging dum 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 running and at the end stop there. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe.
Yeah.
We do appreciate it.
Yeah. I appreciate it more than Susie because I'm bigger. I have more appreciation.
Absolutely. ขอบคุณมากค่ะ